Share allows you to share your song or project with your co-writers. Enter the email address or choose from contacts. Note, if you enter an email address, this address is not automatically added to contacts. So if there's somebody you share often with, create a contact for them by clicking on Manage Contacts. From here, you can add a new contact, or edit or delete an existing contact. When finished, click the X in the upper right corner, or Done. Now you can type in your message, choose which versions you'd like to send, and if you'd like to include any previously recorded audio, you can do so here. Note, you can only include one audio track at a time. Hit Send to share. You'll receive a message when the email has been sent. Click the X in the upper right corner to close Shared. Note, you're also able to share your project from the list page. To share from the list page, click the three dots and Share. Sharing from the list page works exactly the same as sharing from within the song file.